Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making my baked ricotta chicken. So let's dive into this delicious family dinner. You're going to need plenty of chicken and lots of cheese, as well as your favorite pasta sauce. We'll start out with adding half of the pasta sauce to the bottom of your baking dish, skillet, or a 9 by 13. Add chicken cutlets, that's just a chicken breast that's been cut into smaller strips so that these all cook evenly and quickly, and our baking time doesn't need to be adjusted. Once we have all the chicken in the dish and it's kind of nested in the sauce, I season it with garlic powder, salt, and pepper, just a bit of a sprinkle over the top. And I'm going to mix my cheese topping next, which is ricotta cheese, Italian seasoning. As you can see, I'm blending it here so that it's evenly distributed throughout my ricotta first before adding my Parmesan cheese. That I pop in next. I'm going to mix that until it's distributed also through there, and then it will go on top of the chicken that is in my baking dish. We're going to use the entire bowl of this ricotta mixture. You can use half if you're not a ricotta fan, but go ahead and portion all of it out into the dish on top of the chicken. Once you have it all out of the bowl, we can spread it out and make an even layer on top of the chicken over the pasta sauce. Add the remaining pasta sauce or marinara, whichever you like, over your ricotta mixture that's on top of the chicken. Spread it in an even layer as best as possible. And then we're going to add a bunch of mozzarella on top, a whole cup of shredded mozzarella. Bake at 375 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes until it is bubbling and everything is melted. Give it about 5 minutes to cool before serving, and then go ahead and serve it up hot over some cooked pasta and enjoy a wonderful family dinner. If you enjoyed this video and you love the recipes at Bake It With Love, be sure to like and subscribe and tell YouTube, give it all the signs that you enjoy our content. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again next time.